Hello friends, greetings from Cygnus Minds. It was indeed a wonderful experience to conduct a workshop on calling etiquettes for the back office team of Trinity TradeX. We are thankful to Mr. Shomit Banerjee who invited Rajrupa Chakravarti of Cygnus Minds to conduct the workshop for the back office team, which comprised people of various levels of experience and seniority. Everyone participated with equal enthusiasm. The workshop stressed on the etiquettes to be observed during calls, the ways in which difficult calls and difficult clients could be handled, and the ways in which challenges could be overcome. Everybody participated with equal enthusiasm and the response was overwhelming. The hospitality extended by Trinity TradeX was exemplary. Thank you.
They already have a preconceived understanding. They will be the service engineer, they will get their job executed. They don't have to depend on you to explain everything, or that they don't have the requisite kind of lack of job understanding. Dependence 100% they will be more rough. But dependence they will be more soft. And they will keep you because they want to keep you happy because we help, we extra help. যেটা may require you to go beyond your job and explain in greater details, সেটা প্রজেকশনে আপনি করুন। কিন্তু এটা রিলেশনশিপ হলে ঠিক আছে, মানে yes, symbiotic relation mostly ঠিক আছে।